decided to go fluffy and snowy. So I'll be using lots of fur with silver and white decor pieces. So let's get started. For this webisode, instead of using a picture, I decided to use a mirror for that silvery icy look. The tassels were made of one piece of curtain tassel, which I cut into half and sewed them separately around a tissue holder. Then looped a ribbon on top to hang it. Then attached a brooch to give it a pretty finish. Now for the cushions. I'm using light pink and white furry cushions to give it a soft touch. A pink furry carpet to match the look. As for the table, I was lucky to get this pink piece of fur as a gift from a friend from Zara Homes in Paris together with the reindeers. My Christmas tree is also pink and white, but this time I used white Christmas lights instead of the usual warm white light, and 2 white branches and attached some fairy lights to them. It adds to the snowy whimsical look. When I was young, we used to get a tall branch and spray it white and hang ornaments and Christmas cards that we received on it. We've come to the end of another episode. Hope I've given you ideas of what you can do. Until then, this is Jude wishing you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.